Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss letter analogy part 2. We already discussed part 1 on letter analogy in some PDF questions. So I found some of wrong questions itself. So I'll prepare here for new questions. Just here also the thing is concept is same. These problems you should solve, not me. Okay. So I just give any toughest problem is there, then I'll give the clue. That's it. Okay. Now, first question is for you. This is. Phone lips అని చెప్పు. So here the first basic question I written here was the HOPE and IPQF. So it means, so you just observe these two words. So how many will give the answers? B. Okay. Okay. Someone. Okay. See here. What's the answer for these two? Just so HOPE and then IPQF, right? So here everywhere we can find 1 plus 1, right? So H plus 1 is I, O plus 1 P, P plus 1 Q, E plus 1 F. The same way, so M plus 1 N, O plus 1 P, L plus 1 M, and T plus 1 U. So this will be the answer for this. So many people given the answer. Super nice. Okay, this is the answer. Now, next question. Mobile NQEMQK. Mobile written like NQEMQK. And then phone, how it will be? Right? So what is the answer? What's the answer here? Yeah, QJRRJ. Here see M N is there plus 1, right? So O Q is there plus 2. B E is there plus 3. It's just consecutive number up to K, just increasing by 1 1. So P plus 1 Q, H plus 2 J, O plus 3 it's nothing but R, and N plus 4 M, M O sorry O P Q R, right? So again R, again last J plus E plus 5, so 5 plus 5 10, it's nothing but J. Okay, so this will be the answer. So H plus H I J, so is the answer. This one, right? Yes, this one is the answer. Okay, next question. We'll move for the next question. Now, see, around they written RAUOND and they're asking to find ground. How we can write this? So similar word, just check this one. Yeah, see here, you just observe this. In the same letters is there in this word also, right? So just they written in a crosswords. R A they given a cross, U O they given the cross, D U N is given the cross, right? Now, so it will become R A U O D N. In the same way, just write this R G, and just check the options. Only one option is there with R, so no need to check remaining words actually. Only one letter, only one option with letter R in the starting. So directly you can keep the answer this one. Okay, is done. Okay. Now check this. A, B, D, C. So what will be the answer here? What's the answer for this, guys? See, you just check this very easy problem here. A B C D in interchange, D C they write, right? So F G H I will be there, but they written I J interchange. And here D E F G actually, but they interchanged G F, right? And here, so don't find the next letter. Okay, here D is there, here F is ended. Don't search for next G will be there. So G option is not there. So similar like this way, what is there? S T R R, no. And M N O P, M N O P actually, but they given P Q. Okay, actually it is right answer. But once if you want to confirmation, check another one also. D E, actually it is the right one only. D E F G, it's a correct way. But what we require, the last two digits will be interchange. Okay, X Y Z A, it is also correct way. It is also correct way. It is also it is wrong actually. This one M N O P, actually M N, sorry, M N O P, but they interchange this to M N P O, they get. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay. Just now, so you don't think it's very easy problems, then let's see some more problems. Okay, now check. J I H K P O N Q, they given J I H K. First of all, I think today I forgot to write the ABCD side. So for once again I'm saying for B C D E F G H I K L M N O P Q R S T U W X Y Z. See, don't forget. So even that in coding and decoding and letter series, even letter analogy, it's a very important thing. We should know the ranking of this one. You should know the ranking of ABCDs. A to Z, it's 1 to 26, and then reverse 1 to 26, and you need to know the pairs. Okay, pair letters. These three things is very important in this. So now you just check J I H and K, they given, right? So 3 downwards and 1 next letter. Okay, N P O N and Q is the next letter. Okay, and here U, sorry, W V U and next letter X, like that. Which one is it? N, sorry, K. Now I'll check all the things. Okay, K N, N will be here, M will be here, L will be, so no, this is not the one. And R S T U, R S T U, R S T U, like this, so it is also wrong. Next, H I G T is also wrong. Okay, next M L K, downwards 3 and next N, so it is the right answer, right? Option D is the right answer. Check like this. Okay, now, but you should be fast, and based on the option you should find out. Okay, that is more easy. Okay, drive. Now see, drive, they written in EIDRV, and Begum they write as a how. See, these type of prompts, if you find, then the same letters, if you find the same letters in this both the words, then find like that only. Okay, Now, what's the answer for this? What's the answer for this? See here, drive. They written E is the first and middle letter is second and first letter is third and second letter is second to the left and here are EID. Okay. Now in the same manner, what's that last letter? Last letter is first letter M. So by saying itself directly, you can keep the answer, right? The last letter here, the first letter. Here the last letter is M. Here the last letter is M. So remaining R is different, right? So we have only one letter with option. So directly you can keep that one. Okay. Now, so this will be the answer. Now, next one. Locker. Locker, they written KM. So if you answer this question, then you are master in letter analogy. I'll fix it. Just I'll check who will give the answer for this. So if you answer this, then really your knowledge is good in letter analogy and coding and decoding and letter series. Just try to find out this one. What's the answer for that? Okay, many people give an answer. Check. I'll check it. KMDF EGSU. Wow, superb. So last letter. Superb. Nice answer. See here, what's they written here? L. They written KM and O NP and C BD and KJL and DF and RQS. That means L before letter and next letter. That means just neighbor of letters. O before and next. C before and next. A K before and next. Okay, just neighbors. In between L will be there. In between O will be there. In between C. In between K. In between E. In between R. The same manner. L, K, and M. E, D, F. Okay, and then F, E, G, and T. S, U. Right? So the last SU is there and first KM is there. So this one is the answer. So many people give an answer. Super. Nice. And then next question. Now, I think it's very easy for you. I think so. Just do it. Yeah. Come to this. Which one? Fourth option. Huh? See here. I said if you find this in the same letters here also, same letters here, this word also, just find out how it will be, how they are arranging that one. So here UND, ATED, and here ATED directly, the four letters in the first ATED, and then UND, and then UND. So here the last four letters RECT, RECT, here is a, and here is a. So remaining two option is eliminated. So these two is there. And next COR, UND, right? In the last. So like this, COR, COR. So this is eliminated, this answer. Okay, then now next one. So M by AC, N by AD, O by AE. What's the answer for this? Just try to solve this. Yeah, what's the answer? Option one, na? Super. So how? See, M by AC. What does it mean? Okay, take the number here 13 and 1, 3. A1, C3. And N 14, A1, D4. Like this. O 15 and 1 and 5 E. In the same manner. P is 16 by 1, F is 6. Otherwise, and we can check the remaining also. Q is 17, right? AB 1, 2. P is 15, right? AC 1, 3. R is 18, right? 1, D. So first will be the answer. So this is answer. Okay. Then now next. ABC by F, BCD by I, CDE by L. Now What's the answer for this? Yeah. First one is answer. Okay, check. Here, what's the given? A, B, C, A1, B2, C3 by it is F6. Okay, B2, C3, D4 by I equal to 9. So how it will be? Okay, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is nothing but 6. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is nothing but 9. Okay, then like this, D4 plus E5 plus F6. So 15, yeah, O is 15. Okay, first one is answer. If you want to check another one also, you can check it. So this is not the one, and this is a one, but here why I'm not going to consider this E, D, F by G, O, it is the same, 15, right? 15 by 15. Why I'm not going to consider this? So here A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, E in alphabet orders, and here it is changed. Okay, now this will be the answer. No. See here, this is nothing but, wait, this is root AFI, this is root ADD, this is root ABA. Okay, now check. Now give the answer for this. Yeah, K is answer, right? So just simple. Root 169 is 13, and root 144 is 12, and root 121 is nothing but 11. 13 means M, 12 means L, 11 means K. KLM. So K is the answer. Okay, then next one. See now. Do it, guys. For this, do it. See here, A. I'll just do it. A is 1, it is 2, and here it is 2 and it is 4. and here it is a C 3, it is 6. Next will be C 1 2 2 4 into 2 into 2, right? So into 2 into 2, it is 6 and 12. So 6 will indicate F and L will 12 will indicate L. So this will be the answer. Okay, right? Not DF, it is a fourth one. F L is the answer. Is it clear? So 1 2 2 4 3 6 6 12. So 6 is F, 12 is L. So this one. Okay, done? No. Next question we'll see. Yeah. DB IC. DB equal to IC PD. Which one? So DB, what is that? 4 and it is 2, and I, it is 9 and it is 3, and P is 16, D is 4. Just look at here. So 2 square is 4, 3 square is a 9, 4 square is a 16, and next the square value. So E is 5, Y is 25. So square value 25 is that, and then check another 4 25. No. E 5 26. E 5 24. No, this will be the answer. First one is the answer. You don't need to check, ma. I'm just for explaining, I'm checking here. So no need to check like this, everyone. So E is 5, Y is 25. 5 squares 25. Okay, and then D E J A F. See, D is 4, E is 5.